Welcome back, students. In the previous video we discussed result number 1, okay, based on strong and weak convergence, which was कि limit is always unique if it is existing. Now in second result what we discussed कि strong convergence always imply weak convergence, but it is not always true कि weak convergence imply करेगा strong convergence को. There is one condition under which we will study result number 3 में कि वीक कन्वर्जेंस ऑल्सो इम्प्लाई स्ट्रॉन्ग कन्वर्जेंस. ओके, तो वो कंडीशन क्या होगी, आई विल डिस्कस देयर. हेयर वी विल शो कि स्ट्रॉन्ग कन्वर्जेंस इम्प्लाई करेगा वीक कन्वर्जेंस को. हाउ विल बी प्रोसीड? लेट एक्सएन सीक्वेंस converges to x belonging in norm linear space n. All right, now this imply that is xn minus x का के distance का norm it will be less than epsilon as where n goes to infinity. As n goes to infinity it will be less than epsilon you have. Okay, let f belonging to n star be any functional. N star is the collection of all functionals defined on n. Okay, so now f of xn norm of this minus f of x का norm, this you have, it will be equal to, since f is functional means it is linear transformation and it is bounded also. Bounded means continuous also. तो ये लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है, तो बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आई कैन टेक दिस एफ कॉमन. डन. इट विल बी लेस देन इक्वल टू नॉर्म ऑफ एफ इनटू एक्सएन माइनस एक्स. डन. नाउ दिस एक्सएन माइनस एक्स इज लेस देन एप्सिलॉन. लेस देन एप्सिलॉन का मतलब ही क्या है कि इट इज कन्वर्जिंग टुवर्ड्स जीरो. डन. तो if it is converging towards zero, तो what this imply? This imply कि f of xn is converging towards f of x. Done. तो this imply xn converges to x weakly. W means weakly and here it is converging strongly. हो गया कि strong convergence imply weak convergence. Now for converse part, I will give you the example. X is equal to L2 space. Okay, norm of x is defined as summation I from 1 to infinity x I k mod का 2 whole power 1 by 2. Okay, now let EI be the canonical basis. देखो what is the meaning of canonical basis? Canonical basis means a linearly independent, a set of n linearly independent eigenvectors that is composing a complete Jordan chain या Jordan block sequence है, जो एक Jordan block को बना रहे हैं या फिर उसको compose कर रहे हैं. that complete basis के set को we will say canonical basis. Okay, then ठीक है I goes to zero as n goes to infinity. तो f of EI will go to f of 0 which is 0. Under linear transformation image of 0 is always 0. ठीक है, for all EI in L2. But EI minus 0 का norm, this will be EI का norm which is 1 not equal to 0. So here this EI is converging weakly, but this EI is not converging towards 0 na. Distance of this EI and this 0, इसका norm is not going towards 0. That means it will not converge strongly. Converge strongly.